So my capstone is on film scoring using Logic Pro X. And basically what Logic is, it's a type of music software, except it is the real thing. It's how real songs are mixed and movies today, which obviously makes it really hard to use because it's professional. And so I started to get interested in this. So I started out just using GarageBand, and then once I got bored of that and I couldn't do as much, I moved on to Logic Pro. And then basically how I learned how to do this was with a lot of YouTube tutorials and experimentation, because that's how you get your own style to the music. So right now I'm going through a phase where I really like to create film scores and orchestral music. So and I want to, for this entire year, I wanted to create a score that does its job and an orchestra that sounds real, and basically to do its job, which is to add dimension to a video. And then that's what I did. I put a video with it too, which I'll play at the end. And then, yeah, so it's difficult too with an orchestra because you have to learn how each instrument is used in the song. So, and first I just spend a couple of days messing around on the piano, getting ideas, then I put the whole thing together. Then after that, I make it fit the video. So, if you think about an orchestra, you have a lot of instruments. So all these instruments right here, I have a lot of instruments right here. And so I have one main string part right here. And this pretty much plays throughout the whole song. And it's important to know how to use strings, because in an orchestra, they're never just played straight. The volume is always changing. So you can see here all these yellow lines are the volume changes. So over here, they all start out with no volume, and then you can see them come in, and you can watch the volume down here. So basically the outline of this score is there's a slow piano part, then it builds up into an action part, and then there's a transition, and then there's a second action part. And it's like that so it fits the video. And when you listen to an orchestra live, you're also in a really big hall, and to replicate that, you have to add a lot of effects. So all these blue squares right here, they're all effects I added onto each track. So yeah, and then you also need to learn how to use each instrument and when to use them. For example, the French horns here, for the build-up, the French horns, they're really low and they add suspense. So that's why I put it here. It's this right here, so it's really low. And then, this obviously isn't done yet. I still have a lot to do. And you get new ideas every day. So just a couple of days ago, I came up with an idea for a flute part. So this is a sampler right here, and I have a preset for a flute. So I was just thinking of adding something like this here. So if I. And then, all right, so for the video, my video's an iguana running from snakes. So my mom just showed it to me one day. I was like, all right, I'm just gonna use this for my capstone. So, and I had to search the internet for effects, samples, and then to make it fit with the video, I slowed some down, reversed some, and I timed it so the drums hit when something happens in the film. So. Yeah, I'll just play the video now.